It's hair mail day. I'm so excited. I just got my new Lose wigs in. I had to literally sprint after the mailman because he didn't even knock on my door, and then tried to say that I wasn't home. So anyways, I sprinted after him, so I'm a little out of breath, but doesn't matter because we got our hair mail. Hello, beautiful. Also, this is my first all the way brunette piece that I'm getting ever. Oh, I always get so surprised by that. That's me, Lynn, and Danielle. All beautiful hair loss girlies. All right, I'm so excited to see. Okay, colors, everything already I can see. Let me open it up. Oh yeah, so much more like my natural hair was. I can already tell it's so soft. Look at this chocolate brown. It's got like a bit of an auburn tint to it too in the light. I don't know if you can see that, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna take my headband wig off. Set that to the side. Now the lace is still on this. That's when you get your wigs, the lace will still be on there until you cut it. Do not cut it until you know that you're going to keep the wig. I'm gonna adjust the tabs. This is a size medium, so I know it's like a little big. So I know I'm gonna need some help. All right, moment of truth. Oh my god, that cap is divine. Not that part. Wait a second. It's just blowing my mind because I think I'm supposed to be brunette. Maggie agrees. I literally just can't stop running my fingers through the hair because it is so light and fluffy and soft and silky, and the density is, if I had my bio hair and it was grown out to this length, is exactly what it would feel like. So I'm just like in sensory heaven right now with this hair. I have never felt hair like this before. Like I said, this is my first European wig with European hair. So I'm just taking a minute to like really soak it in. Like the first time touching this, I can't, it's like just running my hands through a cloud. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of foundation to the part. Really, really easy. This is just powder concealer foundation. Yeah, amazing. I'm in love. Like, I think this is my color, which is crazy.